After the Sachin Waze episode, Devendra Fadnavis, the former Chief Minister and BJP leader, he is the leader of the opposition, is targeting the Maharashtra government over what he describes as malpractices and bribes in IPS transfers in the state. The Maharashtra government says Fadnavis is relying on a report full of false statements and illegal phone tapping in his attempt to destabilize and defame the Maharashtra government.
Devendra Fadnavis taking his battle against the Maharashtra government to Delhi.
इतने बड़े महाराष्ट्र ऐसे बड़े प्रदेश में आईपीएस और बड़े पुलिस पदाधिकारियों के ट्रांसफर पोस्टिंग में सीधा वसूली हो रही है. Extortion is being done.
Alleging foul play and bribes for transfers of senior police officials in the state. Fadnavis says the Chief Minister of Maharashtra did not act. Fadnavis met the Union Home Secretary demanding the centre's intervention and probe by a central agency. Fadnavis bases his claims on a report by the state's former head of intelligence Rashmi Shukla, who is now on central deputation, which says there are recorded conversations that point to malpractice.
6.3 GB का ये डेटा मेरे पास है कि जिसके अंदर ये सारे कॉल्स इंटरसेप्ट किए हुए और ये एक पूरा रिपोर्ट इसका जो है, मतलब ये कवरिंग लेटर है और कवरिंग लेटर के साथ ये पूरे ट्रांसक्रिप्ट रिपोर्ट के साथ माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी को भेजे गए और उसके बाद इसके ऊपर कार्रवाई होना दूर, कार्रवाई किस पर हुई? कार्रवाई हुई कमिश्नर इंटेलिजेंस पे.
The NCP hit back immediately, saying that 80% of the transfers that were mentioned by Shukla in her report did not happen and the officers did not get the postings she mentioned in that report.
Illegal phone tapping करने का काम वे करती थी, उसी के आधार पे निराधार रिपोर्ट उन्होंने तैयार की. लेकिन जब महाराष्ट्र में महाराष्ट्र विकास आघाड़ी की सरकार बन रही थी तो रश्मि शुक्ला इलीगली सारे नेताओं के फोन टैप कर रही थी.
चाहे कोई भी कुछ भी कहे, कुछ भी बोले, कोई भी आरोप करे, महाराष्ट्र की महाविकास आघाड़ी की सरकार का बाल भी बाका नहीं होगा.
Meanwhile, the Maharashtra Anti-Terror Squad claims it has cracked the Mansukh Hiren murder case and will be asking for the main suspect Sachin Waze's custody in spite of the case being handed over to the NIA.
The Maharashtra government has made it clear that it's not going to give in to the BJP and adds that Devendra Fadnavis, in his attempt to topple the government, is defaming the state. But this saga of allegations and counter-allegations is likely to continue for a while as both sides are digging in their heels. In Mumbai, with camera person Rajendra Dhalkar, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.